Question: is Satan a fallen angel with power separate from God, or is Satan the negative or error thinking of man, which gives power to fear, greed, jealousy, hatred, disease, revenge? Does Satan have power over man, or does God alone have all the power? Does Satan mean the negative part of us, that is, the self that lives the life God has given us wrongly? Satan is an existing entity, an angel who acts autonomously and drives every person through his spiritual and physical mind to live wickedly separate from God. Satan has power in the world. The Bible says he is the master and god of this world. Satan is a different entity and power from God. However, he must also respect our free will and volition to choose in life God or Satan, good or evil, light or darkness, and to believe or not believe God and live in accordance with his ideal. A person invites Satan not only because he is evil, but also because he can create conditions in life that attract spirits and people in negative spirits that drive him to act evilly. Entities that have accumulated the power of evil in their earthly life and want to pass it on to us. A person may be born into an environment where the power of evil is strong. The person himself may not be so evil, but because of this environment or this negative spiritual influence, he cannot help but feel hatred, jealousy and negative things and want to harm others and himself. If that person tries to be good through religion and educating himself in goodness, and chooses good examples to follow, and a good environment in which to live, in other words, if he strives above all to live centered on God, his ideal and the purpose for which he created us, the power of evil that influenced him can be gradually weakened. We must therefore create a more moral and religious environment in our lives that will help ourselves and other people free themselves from the influence of evil. Also because, whether or not we choose to believe in God and to live together with Him or not, that is already a choice that creates the condition for Satan and evil spiritual personas to freely condition us, push us to evil, attack us, and in very evil cases, to possess us, even physically pushing us to commit all kinds of satanic acts.